customize the plan for him, and we can do the same for you.
Getting the care you need has never been
Pretty
easier.
bird.
Because our team members work together to handle all your healthcare needs.
Those are rare birds
And you get
there.
all this with no extra cost.
There's that one.
All your medical records and health history. So switch it to that.
Where'd all the others go? There were 4 of them.
Living your life your way.
At Oak Street Health, we specialize in caring
Well,
for
one
older adults
stayed.
like you. Call 855
There were 4 all together.
2890 to schedule a visit and see
Huh,
why we are the
wow.
only primary care provider to carry
Seek
the
ye
AARP
to find, knock on the door shall be open unto you. As Jesus Christ, what your God says.
All eligible citizens
A yellow
have the
bird.
constitutionally protected right
That's
to
a
have
rare
their
bird.
voices heard.
That's something you don't see every day.
Restricted voting access. In 2021 alone, more than 400 bills were passed.
Colonel Rush or any bird watcher would
But there's hope. You can
know what that bird is. I don't, but that's a rare bird.
threaten our democracy by joining Southern Poverty
There was a whole
Law
bunch of birds lined up together.
Or go online now to become
Where
a
did
friend
all-
of the center for just $19 a month.
Huh.
Only 63 cents a day.
That's
Your support
interesting.
will help protect the right to vote, fight against hate and extremism, and secure the civil rights of all people.
Since 1971, we have been fighting for civil rights, including the right to vote.
They
And
move.
today,
Maybe they went
states
over
are
that way.
closing polling places, restricting vote by
No,
mail and absentee
okay.
voting, and even making it harder for the young and elderly to vote.
There's that
This
one.
is not what democracy looks like. We're working hard in the courts every day to defend civil rights across the
Wow,
world,
it jumped from.
and we do it
It
with
didn't
no
fly. It
cost
jumped
or
from one
fines.
wire to
That
another.
wouldn't be possible without
Wow.
support from people like you. So please, join us.
Call or go to helpfighthate.org and give just $19 a month. When you use your credit card, you'll receive this special Fight Hate t-shirt to show you're part of a movement for equity and justice. But we need your support now. The Voting Rights Act is still under attack, and states have passed voter suppression laws that put the right to vote at risk for millions of eligible citizens. Together, we can build our
That's a
democracy
dove right
into one
there.
that's actually strong,
Means
free,
peace.
for black and brown people, for those living
Yeah,
with
dove. Let's see
disabilities,
it.
for those living in
Cool,
urban
cool.
and rural areas, for all of us. So
Yep.
please become a friend of the center today. Call or
Yeah.
go online to helpfighthate.org right now.
Same about time, same about channel. And they're ripped over it all. Woof, woof.
No contracts. Act now and unleash the savings of 1 month free. Unlimited data, endless possibilities. Visit Viasat.com.
I looked on Cinemark
Big or call 833-3-Viasat
official
for
site
That's
shop
Viasat.com/savings
for Chesapeake, and
Viasat. Viasat. Internet
it says it's sold out, but they, at the Cinemark in Chesapeake, they still have more dogs. I just got one. Lucky I got one in case they do sell out there. I paid around 45 plus tax, but it's actually around close to $70. So I saved some money somehow. Thank you, Jesus, for letting me get a lower price. But I don't understand is, at the place it said 25 and then plus tax. I don't know what's going on, whatever.